Wait, like. Good noon, everyone. Jai Jinendra. Myself Preeti Rampuria from Chapi Heda, Madhya Pradesh.
Sunil Kanjoria, hi.
Hello, Sunil ji. Happy Republic Day to all. I welcome you all from the behalf of Amul. Myself Preeti Rampuria, home chef, Chapi Heda, Madhya Pradesh.
Ishrat Asfa, hello.
Hello.
Savita Nagpal, hi.
Hello, Savita ji.
Archana Sawan Sukla, hello.
Hello, Archana.
Deep Jetwa, good morning all.
Good noon, Deep ji. Happy Republic Day to all.
Suman Samal, hi.
Hello, Suman ji. I welcome you on the behalf of Amul. I'm so glad and feel happy and proud to have this opportunity on this auspicious Patriotism Day, Republic Day.
Dinesh Bhutla, namaskar.
Namaskar.
Simi Saini, hello.
Hello, Simi ji.
Anubha Gupta, hello.
Hello, Anubha ji.
Ashan Ali Khan, hello.
So let's start our recipe. Today I am making the thread paneer. It's thread paneer as a starter and in dessert Tiranga paneer.
Deep Jetwa, what are you cooking today? I am from London.
Yeah, Deep Jetwa, I am cooking thread paneer. It's a shredded wonton sheet. It's a homemade sheet.
Leverance Jones, hello.
Hello, Leverance.
Lalita Murthy, hello. Happy Republic Day.
Lalita ji, Happy Republic Day to all of you.
Rajrani Gupta, namaskar.
Namaskar. Jai Jinendra, everyone. Myself Preeti Rampuria. I'm a home chef from Chapi Heda, Madhya Pradesh. I welcome you all on the behalf of Amul on this auspicious day, Republic Day. And today I'm making a thread paneer as a starter and Tiranga paneer as a dessert. So let's start our recipe. Here is my ingredients. First of all, for thread paneer, we have to make wonton sheets. Today I am making the homemade wonton sheets. We have to make a dough. Here I am taking a measuring spoon, 1/4 cup.
Alpna Agarwal, hello.
Hello, Alpna ji. 1/4 cup measuring spoon. It's a 60 ml. The all-purpose flour. It can be convenient for 10 to 12 paneer thread paneers. And in this I am adding a pinch of salt. And we'll make a dough, not so soft and not so hard. A medium dough from 1/4 cup of water. The measuring spoon I have taken 1 cup of all-purpose flour, in which we need 1/4 cup of water. Little bit we can add and make a fine dough.
Deep Jetwa, I love to taste your food. Thank you.
Thank you, Deepji. Little bit of water we can add and make a fine dough, not so soft and not so hard. For this we have taken 1 cup, this 160 ml cup of all-purpose flour, pinch of salt, and 1/4 cup, the same cup, 1/4 cup of water. Actually water we have to measure, it's very important, because we need not so soft and not so hard dough. The consistency of the dough will be like this. We don't use any oil, butter or ghee in this. And we will keep this dough after kneaded many times and keep this for rest for almost 10 to 15 minutes. I have prepared this dough for now live session.
Chandan Bharat Lodia, what are you making?
I'm making thread paneer. Now I'm making thread paneer. Now for thread paneer I'm using wonton sheets, homemade wonton sheets. This is a dough, ready dough, which I prepare almost half an hour before my live session. We have to knead this dough so it became a soft. For wonton sheets we need corn starch, corn flour. We can prepare these sheets before also, and we can keep it for further use in refrigerator. I am making I'm making this thread paneer by two types. First by wonton sheets and second by noodles. If you don't like we don't have time to prepare the wonton sheets, so you can prepare it by noodles also. Noodles any type like Maggi, Yippee or homemade atta noodles, whatever you can use. जो हमारे घर पे जो सेवइयाँ बनी हुई होती है गेहूं के आटे की, you can use that. हम इसे जब तक बेलेंगे जब तक इसमें फिंगर्स नहीं हो जाए. We will pin it on the roller board till our fingers will be shown in this sheet. Like this. It will take more. We will use corn flour. Now we will cut the sheets. These sheets can be used in dumpling also, and for spring rolls also. We can prepare it and keep it in the refrigerator for further use. I am repeating the process again. मैंने यहाँ पे 1 cup, this is the measuring cup, 1 cup मैदा लिया, एंड मैदे को मैंने एक डव बनाया मैदे का, जिसमें मैंने पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट, एंड द सेम कप 1/4 कप आई यूज्ड वाटर यूज किया. Like this I make a dough and keep for rest for 15 to 20 minutes, and we have to knead this dough very finely. So our wonton sheets are ready. We can keep these sheets in a freeze for the further use. We can use these sheets in dumpling, in spring roll also. Now we taking our next step, that is paneer. Here I am taking the Amul paneer, fresh Amul paneer. Amul is very best for our daily requirements items, dairy items. I love Amul. Before using any product, we have to wash cleanly.
Firoz Sheikh, hello.
Hello Firoz ji. Now I will cut this paneer in a strips, long strips, like a finger. We need this type of strips for thread paneer. We can use any shape or size, it's on you. But it will look beautiful when the size of paneer will be like rectangular.
Pratibha Mishra, hello.
Hello Pratibha ji. So for this paneer I will make a slurry. will take 2 teaspoons of corn flour, salt according to the taste. Here I am taking the ginger garlic red chili green chili paste chopped as you wish. The spices you need. I am taking pinch of chili flakes, dry garlic powder, pinch of dry garlic powder. Here I am taking the fresh basil leaves. It tastes so yum and very healthy and too delicious. We will make a fine slurry by adding water. Not so thick. Like this type of slurry I prepare. And we will dip all my paneer rectangular pieces in this to marinate it. If you have any query, can ask me. We will marinate this paneer and keep aside for 5 to 10 minutes. Now here I am also making a paneer, homemade paneer from Amul fat cream milk. It's a flavored paneer. I'm using this paneer for this thread paneer also. This is a homemade paneer from Amul milk. See, I have taken 500 ml of milk, of Amul milk, and add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of dry garlic leaves, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and make this paneer at home. This is a flavored paneer, very useful for our health. We can also make this thread paneer from this paneer. Now these are wonton sheets are ready, and we will shredded it in small pieces to make thread of this paneer. If you have any queries, can ask me. We will prepare this type of threads. very thin paneer threads we will take. So here our threads are ready. And here I am taking for thread a boiled noodles, atta noodles. This is homemade atta noodles. I have boiled these noodles. मैंने इन noodles को boil किया पानी में and sticky नहीं हो जाए इसलिए थोड़ा oil लगा के रखा. Put some oil on this so it becomes not so sticky.
मीरा कोरी, आप कहाँ से ये प्रोग्राम कर रहे हो मैडम?
I am from Chapiheda, Madhya Pradesh. Before using these noodles, we will spread some cornstarch so that it will not be so sticky. See, this not will be so sticky, so we use some cornstarch on these noodles. And now we will on final step. We will place a kadhai on the gas stove and melt our amul ghee. Amul ghee is very good, and for paneer, please use amul paneer, amul ghee, and amul paneer. This is very tasty and delicious and very healthy too. We will melt this ghee on the stove in the kadhai. Now we will prepare our thread paneer. Take this marinated paneer and place on the thread.
Mamta Rawat, please share ingredients and recipe in written.
Yeah, I will share you at last in the comment section. We will marinate this paneer. Hello friends, please try this recipe once and tag me. It tastes so yummy and delicious. Here our ghee is ready to fry this thread paneer. We will place in the pan and fry it. Flame will be high. Please keep the flame on high. It tastes so yummy, crispy from outside and soft from inside. Deep fry it in Amul ghee. Tastes so yummy and delicious. Fry it until it becomes golden brown, golden color. It will be look so beautiful. So see, this is very beautiful in color. It tastes so yummy. We can eat it with salsa dip, green chutney, any kind of Chinese dip, cheese dip. Here I am using salsa dip for this today, and green chutney, regular green chutney for serving it. We will fry until it becomes golden color. Little bit of creamish golden. And place on the tissue wipe to absorb extra ghee. See, here I am using this paneer also, homemade paneer also, homemade flavored paneer.
Promi Sharma, hi.
Hello. beautiful and crispy thread paneers are ready. It tastes so yum and delicious. Crispy from outside and soft from inside. For the second, my second recipe, Tiranga paneer, I will take a half cup of water in a pan to make it boil. And here I am taking the ingredients for my Tiranga paneer is paneer, Amul paneer, and my 3 types of rabdi. This is a Indian rabdi. In every festival, the rabdi is the main dessert. So here my homemade paneer threads are also ready. I will off the flame.
Poonam Jain is asking what are threads in for first recipe.
Yeah, ma'am, I will explain. I will tell you later. First, I'm giving the ingredients of my second recipe, Tiranga paneer. Tiranga paneer. For Tiranga paneer, I am taking Amul paneer and 3 types of rabdi. This is all our natural colors rabdi. This is a saffron rabdi, kesar ki rabdi, and this is pista rabdi, pistachio. I used rabdi in pista rabdi, and third, this is plain rabdi, and almonds soaked in saffron water for orange color, and this is almond plain white chopped. This is pistachio chopped, and these are the coconut threads which I used to soak in a blue gel color to make the Ashok Chakra.
Richa Jain, I am like this recipe. Sure, try it today.
Thank you so much, Richa. Here I have boiled the water and add 2 teaspoons of sugar only for just a sugar syrup for our paneer. And make these pieces from paneer a little bit of cut in middle side and put in this sugar syrup.
Anubha Gupta, very nice.
Thank you, Anubha ji. And cook it for 10 minutes so that sugar may absorb in the paneer. We can use this sugar syrup in our dove or any other recipe. Don't waste this water also, sugar syrup also. We will boil it for 5 to 10 minutes to absorb sugar in the paneer.
Richa Jain, how much sugar syrup in the pan?
Yeah, 1 cup of water, it's about 20 ml, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Little, not so much sugar we have to use, because rabdi is already a sweet dessert. We have to fill in this. So here I'm using my plating for thread paneer. I have used this salsa dip and green chutney, and our thread paneers are ready. We will keep in the middle.
Pratibha Mishra, very nice recipe.
Thank you so much, Pratibha ji.
Richa Jain paneer.
Yeah, these are the thread paneers.
Bharti Tulsani, very nice.
Thank you so much.
Lalita Murthy, very nice map of you.
Oh, thank you so much. I have used the capsicum and carrot and onion. Capsicum for green color and carrot for orange saffron color and onion for white color.
Anubha Gupta, nice plating.
Thank you so much. We will put some these blue coconut shreds in the middle for Ashok Chakra.
Savita Nagpal, beautiful plating.
Thank you so much. Savita ji, thank you so much. It's all cause of you. So our beautiful plating, Republic Day special plating of thread paneer are ready.
Lalita Murthy, very patriotic plating.
Yeah, thank you so much, Lalita ji.
Richa Jain, lovely decoration and recipe too. Looks yum.
Thank you so much, Richa. Most welcome. So here our paneer is ready for our next recipe, dessert Tiranga paneer. It has soaked sugar very nicely in the paneer. We will place out in the plate this paneer.
Bhavna Kotari, nice yaar.
Thank you so much, Bhavna. So see here, our paneer are ready. It's so soft and sugar is absorbed in this paneer. Now we will make our second recipe completed.
Plating is nice, but what are threads?
What are threads means? What do you have to ask? Threads, recipe of threads. So here,
Lalita Murthy, very cute son, reading comments so beautifully.
thank you so much. Say thank you.
Thank you so much.
So here, for the second recipe, I again repeated, I boiled paneer in the sugar syrup, sugar water for approx 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes we have to absorb, so that sugar may be absorbed in the paneer. So here in the first paneer I am taking
Lalita Murthy, welcome.
For the first paneer I am spreading some orange rabdi. You can use any one color of rabdi. It's a theme, Republic Day special, so I use 3 kinds of rabdi and all are natural color. In my ingredients, all I am using the natural color except the Ashok Chakra of blue color. The rabdi may be placed on the center where we have put the cut. So here I place my plating.
Lalita Murthy, welcome.
Place my first paneer. Now I will take my second paneer, second cube of paneer, rectangular cube. You can cut in any shape and place the rabdi on the center. Feel the rabdi in the second center part so that it may absorb and it takes taste, so sweetness. So I will place it in the center, white color. My last but not the least, green color. It's a natural green color from pistachio powder. I have used pistachio powder in the milk to make a rabdi. You can dip this paneer in the rabdi for a while so that it may also cover all from sides and place and plating and do plating and serve as you wish. You can dip this paneer in the rabdi. It tastes so yum. It looks also like a cake, rabdi cake, mawa cake. Now for the orange color, I spread some orange soaked, saffron soaked almonds, chopped almonds on the orange color. Dessert. And green pistachios on the third layer, which is green color, and white for the peace, unity.
Richa Jain looks so tempting.
Thank you so much. And again, for the Ashok Chakra, I will use this coconut threads which are soaked in blue color, blue gel color.
Anubha Gupta, lovely.
Thank you so much, Anubha.
Lalita Murthy, very safe recipe using natural colors.
Yeah, it's a very good for health too, cause it's don't have any artificial color. It's all in my all recipes I have used natural color, no artificial color are there.
Savita Nagpal, very lovely presentation.
Thank you so much, Savita ji.
Lalita Murthy, it looks so yum.
Thank you, Lalita ji. Once again, Happy Republic Day to all of you, my friends. So here all my recipes with plating are ready. You all are most welcome. So hello friends, my recipe is completed. If you have any query, you can ask. Once again I will repeat my recipe. This my thread paneers. I have used two types of thread. One is from wonton sheets and seconds are from noodles, atta noodles. Homemade atta noodles.
Poonam Jain, yummy. Anubha Gupta, beautiful.
Thank you so much. Now I am repeating my recipe again. I have used 100 grams of paneer in a rectangular shape, Amul paneer, and marinate this paneer in the slurry is made of 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, or you can make it from maida also, all purpose flour. Add pinch salt according to the taste, half teaspoon of red chili flakes, half teaspoon of dried garlic leaves, 1 to 4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, and marinate all the paneer cubes in them and cover it from wonton sheets or noodles and deep fry them in the Amul ghee. It tastes so yum and delicious. And for wonton sheets I use 1 cup of maida. It's about 60 ml maida from my measuring spoon, and pinch of salt and 1/4 the same measuring cup, 1/4 cup of water. And prepare this dough, not so fine, not so soft and not so hard, fine dough, and keep it rest for the 10 minutes. Keep it rest for 10 minutes. Then knead by hand carefully for 5 minutes and make the wonton sheets from them. My second recipe is Tiranga Paneer Dessert. It's so simple and so easy and so quick recipe. Friends, please try this recipe.
Lalita Murthy, great innovation.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Suman Tate, thumbs up.
For second recipe, I use 100 gram of paneer cut into 3 strips, or you can use according to your choices. And I use here 3 types of rabdi for this special theme, Republic Day theme. Green pistachio rabdi, orange saffron rabdi, and white plain rabdi. Just take a 1.25 liter of milk, add 2 tablespoons of Amul mithai made, and make this fine rabdi. Amul is very best and makes us so convenient nowadays to make any healthy recipe in our kitchen. So friends, here my all recipes are completed. If you have any query, you can ask or send me on the comment section. I will answer you. So I'm ending my live session. Thank you so much everyone who joined.